Hi guys. Hi. I don't know why I just completely stopped filming, but you know what, that's in the past. Let's just pretend like I didn't stop filming for over a year. Not even over a year. Yeah, over a year. And we are back. This is a new year and I am going to be consistent. I'm going to be putting out content. I cannot promise it will be weekly, but I will be putting out content. So today I'll be showing you guys the products that I've been loving throughout 2022 into this new year, and I also got some new products, so we're going to be trying out together for the first time. And so if you're a new subscriber or a new viewer, please kindly make sure you subscribe, and if you're an OG subscriber, I love you. Thank you for coming back to watch. But yeah, I love you. So let's get this video started. Let's get into the video, but first of all, let's acknowledge this monthly disaster that is on my cheeks because of you know who. But it's so painful, it's super red. Like, let's just ignore and move on. So moving on to my skin prep, as you can see, my skin is giving glazed donuts. But I want to show you guys the products that I use for my skin prep. I switch the brands, but I make sure it's the same ingredient. So I use an hydrating toner. This is the Fenty Fat Water Toner. I got this in PR a while back and I actually just picked it up and I realized that it's one of the best things I've used on my skin recently. And then I use a vitamin C serum. I use any vitamin C serum actually, but this I got in PR. This is from EC Naturals vitamin C. And I also picked up I also got this in PR. This is their vitamin C face cream. This is just like, it's hydrating, it has niacinamide, brightens your skin, has all the good ingredients that we love. And the last one is this sunscreen. You can see I've used the destiny of this sunscreen, but yeah, I actually love it. Like, it's so hydrating, no white cast. It's just like you're rubbing water on your face. So I highly recommend this. So now that is done, we're going to be going into the makeup, and I'm going to be starting with my face primer. Of course, you know we always do skin first here, so let me just apply this. And if I'm actually being honest, I remember that one of the reasons why I stopped posting was it was so hard for me to post because I just use my phone to film and I export to YouTube on my phone. But like, I had to be waking up at midnight for me to be able to upload vlogs. I remember having one vlog that I had to keep on posting and didn't even post, so I just gave up. I think that's one of the major reasons why I really stopped posting. But now I'm still back filming with my phone, but I'm just trying to push through. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with this Fenty concealer to cover up this bad boy right here and any other like spot. Even though I've not been active on YouTube or whatever, I've really been active on Instagram and TikTok and even Pinterest, so I can give myself credit for that. But yeah, I'm just putting that out there, and the links to all my socials are in my description. I've even forgotten YouTube terms. I think it's description, but we move. So I'm going to be going in with these two foundations. You know, I already love the Fenty foundation in 430, and this is the Zickel Skin Fit foundation in the shade Lagos. So I'm going to be mixing these two together to get my perfect shade. I'm applying my foundation with this Glam brush. This is a glasses brand that actually came out with the brush set, and to be very honest, I've been using this ever since. Like, it applies your foundation so easily, it's so soft, it doesn't like tricky on the skin, because there are some brushes that are always so painful when you apply them, when you use them to apply foundation. But yeah, I highly recommend. The brushes are really good. Once I'm done, I go in with a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, and I'm using this Zickel sealed setting spray. I actually like this. Yeah, just a little, and just on my face, just let that sink in. After that, I go in with the Zickel foundation. This is the Second Skin Concealer Foundation. See, I'm almost done. I actually love the coverage of this foundation, and this is in this shade Nude, just under my eyes here. Here as well. So I went there to blend my concealer, and another product I've been loving for 2022 into this year is the Taylor Rosy Cheeks Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be using this one. This is the shade Sculpt. It's to contour my face. Yeah, I actually love this product. Is so like creamy and easy to apply, easy to use. So, and I actually love the blushes as well. And you know what I love most in this palette? You see this shade Night Out? Oh my days! Like, it's like a cream bronzer, like a cream highlighter. Sorry, I really love it. So now for my nose contour, you guys already know that me and Fenty Espresso contour stick, we are together forever. I just do this, like, I just like the way it snatches my nose, to be very honest. So for my blush, I pick up this palette again and I use this shade Pretty. This is also a Glam brush. I use this shade Pretty and just apply it. This is one of the new products I was telling you guys about that I just got. This is the Nuban in my skin liquid concealer. I actually hope I like this because I heard so many good things about it. And this is in the shade 042.5. Like, what? But yeah, I want to use it as like my lighter concealer. I'm just going to apply a little bit here and just here. I actually hope I like it because I actually got this for 4,000 naira. So better be worth it because the girl is just 2.5 and I'm obsessed with that one. So yeah, if there's one thing you need to be doing this year is letting your concealer dry down for like a second or two. And about me, I'm always going to blend out my concealer with a brush. I do not care for beauty blenders. I do not want beauty blenders and I just don't get it. But okay, I think I'm liking this coverage. I think I'm actually liking this coverage. What do you guys think? We like it, we like it, we like it. Okay, so let me blend the other one and come back. So I had to do the other part of my face. Eye is so bright, so I think I'm going to be going in with this V Beauty palette in the shade Maroon. This is actually what I used to do my contour, so that's what I'm putting over my eyelid. Honestly, bronzer as eyeshadow is always going to be it for me because like you just get the job done. One is like just an eyeshadow, a color, just one color. You blend it however way you like. You don't even have to blend it upwards, and then you're done. It's just going to give you that brown smoky effect. And for my lashes, I actually got this Mismetic lashes in the shade Cut. It's so pretty. I love it. Then I just found out about this Hyper Beauty lashes. This is actually 1,000 naira in the market. So I actually don't know which one I should use. You guys comment down below which one you think I should use between these two. I don't know if you can tell by the lashes why I finally went with this Hyper Beauty one. This Beauty Line by Lady Brow pencil, my NYX pencil. I'm almost done with this. So I usually do double lip liners and then I go in with my gloss or matte lipstick or whatever it is I want to do. So it's the NYX in the shade Abu Dhabi. I'm just applying that over my lips. It's basically like a brown matte lipstick. I'll be using the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade. Like if you go on TikTok and you'll be seeing dupes of this particular lip gloss, and the dupes in the comment section, people are like, hell no, it does not even come close. So now I'm going to pop my wig on and we're going to see the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I also went ahead to add some beauty marks, which I think just made this one look more beautiful because what? And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, honestly, because I have really been lacking with my posting on here and I really want to come back and start posting back to back. Also, another update, that Nuban Beauty concealer, in between my makeup I was like, oh, it looks like it's breaking or something, but now that I'm done with the look, I think I really like this concealer. But if I'm being completely honest, I don't like it on my nose, so I think I will avoid putting it on my nose. But other than that, it is just perfect. And I actually didn't even use any highlighter or any cream bronzer or highlighter powder, whatever, on this look. Nowadays I've been kicking highlighters to the side and just focusing on blush, bronzer, and setting my under eyes. But I really think this look is giving, everything. Tell me what you think in the comments. Let me know. I'm going to be dropping vlogs back to back because I have so much backlog that I have to edit. Once I find time, I'll be dropping everything. And if you are a new viewer, please kindly make sure you subscribe. If you're an old subscriber, please like and drop comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.